Papaya Jibber searching for star chart book DAO cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of star chart book DAO polies will go from here on out. We will gibber the previous costs of star map book DAO polies and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every gibber with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so gibber is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make and jabber freedom. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of star chart book jabber is $0.1137 and Polis is right now positioned #641 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of star chart book DAO is 261,934,300 gibber 7 with a market cap of $29,790,507. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.97% in its jabber worth. Assuming we analyze the gibber business sector cap of the polies with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. From most recent 7 days, the gibber was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 26.99%. Star chart book DAO has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be gibber an open door to dive right in and contribute. Our gibber forecast number cruncher utilizes progressed calculations and AI models investigate an immense range of variables, from verifiable value information to showcase opinion, to give a thorough expectation of star map book DAO. Gibber input your ideal time period and see the possible anticipated worth of star map book DAO. Our Gibber computer will produce a thorough rundown of month-to-month cost forecasts. Star chart book DAO value Gibber freedom. Star chart book DAO police is estimated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.206 toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul investigation proposes that star chart book DAO cost might actually flood to $112.19 by 2050, with a likely reach jabber in the range of $107.21 and $122.30. Star chart book gibber polies is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $1.49 constantly 20 freedom. Experts' disappointment at gibber pattern for star map book DAO in 2040. With costs possibly coming to $89.57 mark. Ongoing information gibber, star chart book DAO is exchanging at $0.1137. Star map book DAO value gibber 2024. According to the conjecture and specialized gibber, in 2024 the cost of star chart book DAO is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.1295. The polies cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.1461 with the gibber worth of $0.1341. Star map book DAO value gibber 2025. The cost of star map book DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least gibber of $0.1952 in 2025. The star map book DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme gibber of $0.2265 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.2006 all through 2025. Polies value gibber for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of gibber, in 2026 the cost of star map book DAO is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0.2814. The star chart book DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.342 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.2914 in gibber. Star map book gibber polies value expectation 2027. The cost of star map book DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of 0.4 and gibber $7 in 2027. The star map book DAO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.4843 with the typical cost of gibber $0.4153 all through 2027. Star chart book gibber value expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of polies, in 2028 the cost of star chart book DAO is jabber to reach at the very least degree of $0.5693. The polies cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.679 with a typical exchanging cost of gibber $0.586. Star chart book gibber value disappointment 2029. Star map book DAO gibber value expectation 2030. Star map book ointment cost is gibber to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.29 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Jabber cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.49 with the typical gauge cost of $1.32. Star Map Book DAO Value Figure 20 Jibber 1. The cost of one Star Map Book DAO is Jibber to reach at the very least degree of $1.95 in 2031. The Poli's cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.22 with the Jibber cost of $2 all through 2031. Star Chart Book DAO Poli's Value Forecast 20 Jibber 2. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Star Chart Book DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $2.80 Jabber. The Poli's cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $3.38 with the typical exchanging cost of $2 Jibber 8 cents. Star Chart Book Jibber Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Star Chart Book DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $4.04 Jibber in 2033. The Star Map Book DAO cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $4.80 with a typical Jibber cost of $4.18 all through 2033. Star Map Book DAO Value Gauge 20 Jibber. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or enterprises can contribute Jibber to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Star Map Book DAO cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $73.48 Jabber and can reach as high as $89.57 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of Jibber $8.83. Jibber Value Gauge for 2050. The reception and genuine use instances of a Jibber money are similarly indispensable contemplations. Projects with useful Jibber and far-reaching reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Star Map Book DAO cost gauge for 2050, Jabber is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $122.30 in 2050. The base Jibber cost of Poli's coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $107.21, while the Jibber cost of the Star Chart Book DAO for 2050 is projected to be $112.19. Star Map Book DAO Value Gauge Jibber. Is Star Chart Book Jibber Poli's a wise venture? Star Map Book DAO's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as Jabber will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a Jibber to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the most Jibber examination conceivable. What amount really does Star Map Book Jibber cost in 2025? The cost of Star Map Book DAO will increment as additional Jibber backers engage in the undertaking. In year 2025, Star Map Book DAO will be worth about a normal cost of 0.2 Jabber $6. What Jibber will Star Chart Book DAO be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Star Map Book DAO will have a base cost of $0.679 and a most extreme cost of Papaya